Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the inner cable on the hybrid and mountain bike flat bars brake system. And in order to do this task, so you're going to need the brand new inner cable, and you're going to need the tool, the Allen key to tighten the cable at the end, and you're going to need the cable cutter to trim the axis of the inner cable that's left over. And let's get into this video right now. Okay, so the first thing that I have done over here, I already have prepared this earlier, but I forgot to film. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. So the first thing here, this is the cable that needs to be fit right through. And as you see here, I already have done it. I've got the cable here. Now this is the very first, the very important step. If you look over here, let's open this thing. So there is an area here. Hopefully, I'm gonna be able to show you here where the cable needs to be put through. You see here? Now look at that place. This is how you insert the cable right here. And when you're done, you know, this is the easiest spot. How you're gonna be able to fit your cable through here? You see? Hopefully it's showing on the camera. Okay, so now that you have that done already like I've done, this is the area here that you want to focus on. Now look at this adapter here. Look here. This is the part that's holding this nipple, the cable nipple. So look over here. You do have an opening right here. If you look, pay attention here, you do have an opening which will guide the cable that way. So let's go like this. And move this way and fit this right through. Okay, now this is gonna be a little bit tricky to get it, but hopefully we can. And look what I've done here. Now pay attention. You see, I anchor the nipple right through, and you see, okay. Now you see it's gonna stand here, and this thing is gonna be facing that way. Now that you have the cable in, one thing that I would recommend: drop a little bit of oil in there. So soak this cable with a little bit of chain lube, and you're gonna get this to work flawlessly for the years to come. Now that you have cable fitted through this way, this is what you have to do. This is the you do have the this guy here, this bolt here, that you need to focus on. Very careful here on the caliper. Now let's bring this thing over here and show you. So see, you're gonna have a cable going through here, going through this steel, and going through this part over here, and you're gonna guide it through, and you're gonna come right here, and this is the area where you're gonna have to tighten this thing just like this. So it's usually this one that's gonna come back here and see, nice and tight. So this is what you have to. It's already nice and firm. Now here is the thing. Before you tighten this, look how much space you want to have there. You see, you wanna give yourself a little bit of gap in there, so you could come back and clamp this guy over here. So this is how this is gonna work out. Okay, let's see. You see here, you're gonna come back here to me, and you see, this is gonna be clamped. Oh, here we go, see? And this is gonna come back. So remember how I got this going. You see here? Okay, now we're gonna come back over here now. Now, remember how I have this sorted out? And look here now. Look at this beauty. Yeah, that thing works. Okay, and now look, let's focus down there. You see? You see? Very, very efficient. So this is why you want to do this way. You have really important step here that you don't want to miss. And this is the second one that you want to focus on. And then this is the area now that you want to trim off that access cable left over. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.